2nd of November 2022. Rakuunantie, Dragonvägen 1 sträcker sig, and we have to get to the stakes B and C later here. It was built by Kone in 1959, probably the beginning of 1959. MP6 interior was the located one. It's number is H7, 9, 1, 4, but of course we have also filmed with MP4 as late as early 1963 with the Paul models.
Yeah.
This one has the pull-offs for exit level 4 decouple.
Yeah.
Good. It's going to be inspected in 2024 when it will be 65 years old. Deserves 3 rides. Definitely 3 rides.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's here in Munkkiniemi, Munkkiniemi, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa, Finland. Probably the best today so far.
Yeah. Niistä tippaakin vai me ei teppää Suomen hissirakointi.
I love the sounds in here.
Same.
Yeah, I'll press it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll get to status V and C as soon as possible.
Yeah.
They also deserve to be filmed. They are called white call buttons.
That's